looks like I'll be taking all the electronics off my helmet for the first part of the trip, because clearly it's raining, and this is gonna be supposedly most of the drone meet. My ride there looks like it's gonna be chasing the rain all day, which sucks, but it is what it is. I don't mind getting a little wet. Not a huge deal. I don't like the bike to get wet, but whatevs. I'm gonna give this about an hour, maybe about an hour, and I'll take off. Hopefully by then most of the rain has kind of cleared the road, and it's just gonna be kind of misty, mist and spray, you know. So, do you know what I see? Do you know what I see? I see a sun for a moment. So let's get underway. I got a long drive ahead of me. I gotta go put some gas in the bike. We gotta do this. Let's warm up this puppy.
Spartans! What is your profession? Are you not entertained?
Wow, I am soaked, man. Look at my luck. I'm waiting at a turn, just absolutely drenched. Oh my God. Imagine that, the last 8 minutes of my trip it pours. The rest of the trip was perfect. Lightning storms and all sorts of stuff. My hotel's somewhere right over there. I think that's it right there. I think anyways. That's it. Crazy. I think my hotel's over here. Nuts. Look at this, man. Wow, dude. I am soaked. I wonder why this officer is following me in here. You saw that? Nothing better to do with this time. He's gonna scope me out now and see if I'm intending to park here or if I've done something wrong. He's checking my plate. That's hilarious. My shoes definitely took on a lot of water. That's great. Look at that. All right, well, that's kind of funny. That's crazy. Oh, buddy, I'm sure they're gonna want me in there absolutely drenched.
Superman has arrived. I'm at the Sure Stay Hotel, so if anybody's wondering, Sure Stay. So I'm in Fort Pierce, if anybody wanted to know. I'm here. I was flying on the bike, boy. I was getting it through traffic. It was like nothing. But I am a little upset because the whole trip I was basically dry, and then the last 8 minutes of my trip just downpoured while I was on the highway. Hence the reason I wore compression sleeves and all that good stuff, so that I wouldn't be soaked when I got here. Think smart, don't be a retard. Guy was super cool. He's let me park my bike under here so it stays somewhat dry. So I guess I just get to leave the bike here until I go anywhere. So room 405. See you guys there. Wow, this has just been a heck of a day. This has definitely been a heck of a day.
So good. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh man. Alright, let's pull out my card here. Let's see what these rooms look like. It's kind of hard holding my helmet this way. That work? Boom. Oh, this isn't too bad. This is nice. Oh, this is actually a lot nicer. Well, I mean, it is Best Western, I guess. However, no lights. Gotta turn some lights on. There we go. That works. This is actually pretty nice. I love it. All right, cool. Cool. Let's turn the heat on because damn, I am cold. And this room is cold. There we go. Dan's getting all situated. Still waiting on Clinton. He's got the rest of my stuff. He bought a new pair of shoes for the occasion. My other ones are soaked. They're sitting outside, but had a feeling I was going to get wet, so yeah. So now I'm just getting ready to play some video games, do some editing because I've got a whole day's worth of footage to edit here. I got to charge my GoPro batteries, get all that stuff going, and yeah, so helmet, I'm tipping this upright so all this that got wet can have a chance to dry before tomorrow. GoPro's all dried out now. My bag is open so that can dry. Clearly I have all that stuff over there to dry, and I'm just gonna leave my other shoes outside because they got soaked. So, but other than that, I mean, this is actually, you know, it's a hotel by Best Western. It's actually pretty nice. I'm very surprised. Dude, I think I did a Groupon. It was like $76 as a Groupon deal, so it wasn't too bad. It was very affordable, you know, for 2 nights, 3 days. I don't remember what I paid for. It was like 3 days. Anyways, there we go. Shall. Oh, guess I'll watch some news, do some editing here, and just chill for a bit. Sounds like fun. All right, guys. Damn, thankfully let me leave the bike there. That was a good parking spot for it. Didn't get totally drenched. I got an opportunity to clean it off a little bit so nothing rusted. So now I'm gonna walk over here to KFC because, like, it's across the street and it just makes sense, I guess. Like, hotel KFC right there. Like, I'm not going anywhere for dinner. I'm just gonna go walk right there, grab some dinner. I literally just spent more in food than I did in gas getting here. It cost me $11 to ride my bike here. This food cost me $17. Crazy. Hush puppies, some shrimp. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Let's get some sauce out here. Some tartar. Yeah, some silverware. Alright, Dan's gonna sit down and mac for a sec. These are actually some pretty big fish fillets. Yeah. Dude, I'm literally just relaxing in the hotel. Eating some shrimp and fish fillet greatness with hush puppies. In my zone right now. Clinton says he'll be here at 5. I'll see him at 5. Told you he was coming. There he is.
Oh, don't get me on camera now.
There's that guy.
Don't
He
get
is
me on
sexy.
camera.
He is sexy though. He doesn't want me to post him. Look, all my shit's out here drying. What's that?
What?
Lawrence is supposed to be bringing the women.
Oh.
Yeah, we're waiting on Lawrence. Yeah, when they run my electric bill tomorrow, it's gonna be crazy. We are charging mad quads while we're here. All that, all that, all that. Are you charging over there too? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna sit down and edit. Hey, bro.
Talking the other day.
Mr. Knight, you don't remember?
I was like, I gotta get that on video. Do it again.